Well, here's to a rainy day. Let's see if it worked, or if it works. I'm gonna go back into town now, and oh, I did the little dance, my little rain dance down here off this hill, just right in this area here. I did it for about 10 minutes. Right here. It's real easy too, you know. It feels a little embarrassing at first. I mean, I didn't really put a whole lot of swing and motion into it. I just bouncing my feet, going clockwise, and I'm really, I was trying, you know, imagining rain falling on top of me. I just pictured the rain that was falling the other day on my deck. Let it rain, down on me, down on me, let it rain, let it rain, down on me, down on me, let it rain, down on me, let it rain, down on me, let it rain, smell the rain, smell the rain, see the rain, see the rain. Yeah. Whew. That just makes you feel good inside. Oh boy. Oh yeah. So nice out today. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes. Yes. Let it rain. Let it rain. Let it rain down on us.